How are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you help me? Where is the bathroom? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm angry. How much does it cost? Where is the nearest hospital? I need help. Can you show me? Slow down, please. Wait a moment. I'm lost. Can you write it down? What time is it? Where can I find a taxi? I don't understand sign language. Can you teach me sign language? Can you repeat that, please? Nice to see you again. Can you spell that? I need a doctor. Are you okay? What's wrong?